This week's Aviation 101 Fun Facts aircraft is the Airbus A330-300. The Airbus A330-300 is the first variant of the Airbus A330, which was developed from the Airbus A300. The A330-300 is a wide-bodied, twin-engine aircraft that made its maiden voyage on November 2, 1992. The first aircraft was introduced into service with Air Inner on January 17, 1994. The A330-300 is powered by two GE CF6-80E1, Pratt & Whitney PW400 or Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines, and has a range of 6,340 nautical miles, which is 7,300 miles, 11,750 kilometers. The normal passenger configuration allows for up to 277 travelers. This wonderful aircraft is 208 feet, 11 inches long, which is 69 meters, and weighs up to 242 tons. The main airlines that fly the Airbus A330-300 are Delta, Turkish, China Eastern, and Cathay Pacific. A total of 1635 A330s, including all variants, have been built as of June 2025.